I'm Cayla Hunt, one of the sweepstakes project managers, and I am here with the Cessna 170 at AOPA headquarters in Frederick, Maryland. And today, Dave Hirschman and I are going to go fly the airplane and get to know it a little bit more. Clear!
Visibility 10, ceiling 9,500 broken.
Clear for takeoff 3224 Alpha. Alright, so come around here, get the tail wheel straight. Okay, here we go.
Helicopter 2342 uniform, pattern.
Yep, she climbs, she's ready.
One's off the departure run and one's lifting now.
That's awesome.
Use caution when making your patterns.
Alright, flaps up when you're ready.
Okay, flaps are coming up.
Remain west of taxiway Alpha at all times. Departure from the grass will be a true and risk. Use caution.
That's awesome.
Traffic report right downwind. We'll keep an eye out for that traffic.
Nicely done, that was perfect technique.
42 uniform.
We were off well before that first taxiway.
Oh yeah.
That's about, the first taxiway is about 300 feet. So
That's awesome. She's ready for the backcountry.
Okay, so right turn and just kind of follow the highway as we
Okay.
down.
That takeoff was awesome. It just felt really natural, like it was born for it.
It's impressive too that you got good over-the-nose visibility in the takeoff attitude.
Yeah.
14 uniform, right midfield for the grass.
10 miles
you want
to your
to
west.
Inbound for a full stop taxi back.
Another beautiful day.
Absolutely.
Gosh, this is just a nice airplane. It's just smooth. I mean, it was always smooth. It was always a hands-off flyer. But it's just, I can't wait for the panel. That's going to be nice. You're right, though. It's a bit of an abomination right now.
That's the panel is, right?
Yeah, I just love the 275 in the middle with everything else. Looking how it looks.
Yeah, the rest of it will be all that bright and readable.
Yeah.
It was at this moment that we unfortunately lost our cockpit audio, but Dave and I are currently en route to Green Landings Air Park. On our way over, I had a little fun following the Potomac River. On short final for Green Landings, I set myself up for a traditional short field 3-point landing. The 26-inch Alaskan bush wheels kissed the ground a couple hundred feet down the runway. Not only was I impressed with the feeling of the bush wheels on the grass, but I also noticed the difference that the wing cuffs made. I was landing at significantly slower speeds than I was used to landing at prior to the wing cuff install, courtesy of Dave Stutz and David Lonnie. After a few more takeoffs and landings in every possible configuration, and even a planned go-around, we decided it was time to head back to Frederick. For the last takeoff, Dave wanted me to take off with no flaps. I wasn't expecting the airplane to get off the ground as quickly as it did, not to mention the climb rate. Let's just say I'm going to be really sad to see this airplane be given away at the end of the year. This 170 is an airplane I would love to own. It's a very practical, efficient family hauler with impressive backcountry capabilities, making it ready for almost any adventure. After this morning's flight, it's official. I have an hour or two of time in the sweepstakes Cessna 170B, and my mind was blown. From the first takeoff to the first landing, this airplane is a true backcountry beast. It is a real performer. I was not expecting it to be the airplane that it is now. really, my mind is blown. And it's all thanks to Continental, their 195 horsepower engine, Dave Stutz and Barnstormer's Workshop down in Georgia. This has been a real joy to be a part of, and I cannot wait for the avionics install after Sun and Fun, paint, and interior, so stay tuned.